I lead a really busy life. I run my own business from home and I also have a family. And this can really take its toll, so I need products that really care for my skin. When I wake in the morning after using the Feelunique cream, my face is a lot less puffy and I look so much less tired. I would say that my fine lines and wrinkles, they are less noticeable and my skin is glowing.
Oh, I love gardening. My mother had a garden and I'm not very good at it, but I spend a couple of hours a week in the garden. I'm always aware of the weather though, and the adverse effects of the sun. It's good to be confident in the products that I'm using. I apply the Absolute Wrinkle Correction Cream in the morning. I just put it on my skin lightly. Immediately, my skin appears smoother and fuller.
Well, the reason I take care of my skin in this way is because as someone that still socialises the same as I did when I was a young lady, I like to feel that I'm looking as young as I can look, and with this cream, I feel that it's making my skin look plumper, more refined and more radiant. With the eye cream, you only need to put a little bit around your eyes, but you dab it very, very lightly around the eyes, making sure you include the eyelashes because it's very good for those too.
After I use a time filler products, I feel more confident, and if my skin feels good, I feel good.
After using the whole range, I feel that it helps me look more youthful and that makes me feel more confident.
As a woman of a certain age, the reason I take care of my skin is because all of us want to look younger and feel younger. And this cream really does make a difference to the way your skin looks. The wrinkles are less defined. And when you've got less defined wrinkles, you feel younger and ready to go out and enjoy yourself.